Virtual LANs allow network administrators to segment physical networks into isolated broadcast domains without laying new cables. In an unsegmented flat network, every device connects to a single shared broadcast domain. Broadcast packets or malware originating from a single workstation immediately reach sensitive server infrastructure. Vlan solved broadcast risk by inserting a 4-byte 802.1q tag header directly into standard Ethernet frames. This tag specifies a unique VLAN identifier, allowing switches to isolate traffic logically across shared ports. Trunk links carry traffic from multiple VLANs across a single physical network cable connected between switches. When sales on switch transmits, only sales devices on switch B receive the tagged traffic. Similarly, HR traffic travels down the exact same physical cable without any risk of cross-department leakage. Devices on separate VLANs cannot communicate directly at layer 2. Inter-VLAN traffic must pass through a firewall. When an unauthorized computer attempts access to the HR server, the firewall inspects policies and blocks the packet. VLANs provide maximum network efficiency, airtight security segmentation, and lower infrastructure overhead.